everyone, I'm gonna do turkey neck today. First, re-rinse. Then, to take away the rawness, the odor from the turkey neck, we're gonna pour some vinegar on, white vinegar. Put some water on. Let it sit and soak for probably a couple hours, probably an hour, to get out the rawness. Yes, I'm back after I soak the vinegar with the turkey neck for a couple of hours. I'm gonna rinse it off. See what comes out when you soak it. Oops, sorry. Yes, rinse it off. That way it helps get rid of the rawness, because you know turkey neck is a bit raw. Add more vinegar. You rinse as much as you want to. When you see your water clear enough, you rinse it out. Okay, so now it's all rinsed, ready to be seasoned.